how to corner clip in Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go in the part wherein you want to use corner clipping. So in this case, this is the game that I'm currently in. So I'm just gonna go here in this part. So just look for this one right here. And then what we're gonna do is to just stand here on the corner of this block right here. So just stand here on the corner, in the corner. And then once you're now in the corner, the next thing that we need to do is to go here in this part and then turn your camera in front of your character. Once it looks like this, all you have to do next is to click shift again. And once you do that, as you can see, we now have been corner clipped from the other side into this side. And if you want to do it again, all you have to do is do it again just like this. Just go here in this part. And then, of course, just do the same thing again. And of course, that's it. So that is how easy it is. That is basically it. That is how to do corner clip in Roblox.